Yeah, man.
I just made a sandwich and it was good. So I'm gonna show you what I just did. This is a pizza tray. I'm just scraping off the excess toast because today we're gonna make Hello, my name is Miguel and today I'm gonna make for you grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, so you're gonna need a couple slices of bread. I'm using this raisin bread as a substitute. And you're gonna need some cheddar cheese. You're gonna need one of those skillet, those pot, or you can use a flat frying pan. Alright, so I don't want one of those skillet, one of those frying pan, the flat ones where you can fry sandwiches and egg sandwiches and stuff like that. Alright, put to eat. In today's case, I'm using a pizza tray. But you can use a baking tray if you don't have that. Put the stove gauge on low, almost off low. As low as this, almost off low. Alright, let's allow it to get hot. Say about a minute. Alright, this is my bread substitute. I'm using a raisin bread, but you can use 2 slices of bread. Alright, so I just cut my raisin bun bread in half. After a minute, and your pan or pot is hot, you just lay the bread cut side down. You can use hard-dough bread as well. Just allow. Alright, so while we wait for that to toast, you slice your cheddar cheese or your mozzarella. Or you can use Parmesan. Or you can buy the made sliced cheese. Alright, now get a spatula. After 3 minutes, you just use a spatula and get beneath the bread and flip it on the other side. But before you do that, place the cheddar cheese on the toast side. And then put the two toast side together and then kind of press it together with the cheese in between. Kind of compress it together with the cheese in between. and just use a spatula and kind of press it, holding it, holding the two slices of bread together with the cheese between. Just allow. Alright, after 2 minutes, just kind of flip your grilled cheese sandwich on the other side. And use your spatula with a little bit of elbow grease and compress your cheese sandwich. The stove's gauge is on low, almost off low. So grilled, homemade, stovetop cheese sandwich. Alright, so you just allow the sandwich to toast till the cheese and the cheese in between is melting. Alright, it's been 2 minutes, 4 in all. See, the cheese is melting. This is what it looks like. So you just use your spatula and kind of compress it, flattening it a little. Alright, after one more minute, 5 minutes in all, and the cheese starts to melt and run down on your pan or on the grill. This is our pretend grill, you know. This is how you make a grill at home if you don't have a grill top. Simple. I could probably make burger on top of this. Alright, so that's it. Turn it off. Alright, so now you just take your cheese, your grilled cheese sandwich, and just cut it, give it a slice, cutting it in half. All this sandwich need now is either some ham in between or egg and ham sandwich with the cheese in between. You can grill it like this too. Maybe someday I'll do a video like that where you can do the ham with the egg and everything. So this is homemade grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, let us taste this sandwich together. I'll do the tasting for you. Well, this is really an American sandwich, but you know, Jamaicans travel and Jamaicans end up liking this sandwich as well. All this sandwich need, you can do it with egg. This is a typical grilled cheese sandwich. You can pretty much use any bread. You saw the bread that I used, and you saw it came out flat and nice, just like a regular grilled cheese sandwich. That's my second. That's a raisin. The only thing though with this grilled cheese sandwich, it's a little bit, now and then you'll taste a little sweetness, which is the raisins, because I used raisin bread. Alright guys, see ya. I know it's a simple video, but maybe somebody might want to see it. Visit JamaicaDinners.com for the recipe. Support, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bon appetit. Bon appetit. Alright, this is my second half, which I'm not sure if I want it now. Today I just felt for a grilled cheese sandwich. That's all I wanted. That's all I had for dinner today. And it was filling. Alright.
Yeah, man.